Hello everybody, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Pat Trading Partners, along with Bob Iacchino, checking on Bitcoin. Bitcoin coming down to our 4405 level, holding and then spiking through down to 4315. Nice divergence setting up here. Potentially very aggressive bottoming trade at a key level. We talk about a reversal pattern at a key level. This is a potential reversal pattern. It has not triggered. It would need a close or an extended move back above 49.99, so I call it 5,000, and it is against the rotation zone. However, if that did trigger, first target 52.89 or 52.90, next target 54.35, and then final target 55.80, which would take us back to this prior support level becoming resistance. Now it is against the rotation zone, so this could easily trigger, come up to the rotation zone, and then fail. This is, again, is for educational purposes only. After it did spike to this 44.05 right around this level, actually 44.18, it returned to 25% retracement. That's why I haven't moved this level yet. And then here's the divergence. Looks like we're forming a higher low. This bar is not complete yet. We'd actually need the next bar to print, and so this could still come down and invalidate divergence, but as the time of this recording, it looks like it's going to be setting up a divergence here, which means it's waning momentum, and there could also be a divergence bias pattern here, but again, very, very aggressive since we're against the rotation zone on the 4-hour, against the rotation zone on the daily, and against the rotation zone on the weekly. Also, when you see divergence patterns, it can just mean it's going to move sideways, waiting for the rotation zone to catch up. Here's the daily. You can see where that pattern would take you. The second target would take you back to the bottom of the declining rotation zone on the daily chart. Now, if this does not hold, next key area still 39.50 to 4,000. Nothing has really changed with that level. Switching over to Ethereum. Ethereum came down. We had 127.75 for our next target price. 127.87 is what the low was, coming back up to the rotation zone. Let me also move back this level lower, not that one. This one, please. There we go. Coming back, this came back to the 12.5% retracement area, and then pausing there. So this is also forming another double bottom pattern in Ethereum. 162, 167, and 173 are the three targets. Again, aggressive. It is against the rotation zones. And this does not have a divergence pattern here. Yes, the RSI looks like it's going to form a higher low, but so is price action. So this is even more aggressive than a Bitcoin. That's where we stand right now in that. So let's take a look at the daily chart. Daily chart, you could see easily that if it did trigger that pattern, you could hit the first two targets, and then the rotation zone gets in the way of the third one. So the first two targets are the most likely targets if this were to trigger. And again, let me switch back to that 4-hour. It only triggers on a close or an extended move above, what's that high? 136.33 it looks like. So that's the key area. Is that right? I can't read that there. Let me just get that. Or it looks like 150.55. Sorry, 150.55 is the what we'd have to trigger above to trigger that potential double bottom. Again, it's not even confirmed. This easily could still head lower or just move sideways and let the daily rotation zone catch up. Daily rotation zone right now at about 170. So we've seen this before, drifting sideways and letting the price action drop, or recovering into the price action, then rotating lower. If this low at 127 does not hold, still next target down 108.32. That's what we have for you on Ethereum and Bitcoin, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.